This is going to be a video product review and setup of the VONT smart light bulb. It is a 2-pack, works on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, with Alexa and Google. It is a 9-watt bulb, 810 lumens. It works in an E26 type socket. So I'm going to show you how to set this bulb up. These are very easy to use. You put the bulb in the lamp, you get it to sync with your cell phone. You sync your cell phone with the app. You connect it with Alexa. It's very easy. Let me show you how you do this. To set up the lamp, you must install the VONT app. Turn off the light switch on the lamp, insert the light bulb, and then turn on the lamp. I do not believe you can use Smart Life with this light bulb. I have the app installed. I'm going to click on the plus, and it wants me to set up an account. So I'm going to create an account, and then I will come back. What you will do is put in an email address, and it will send you a code so that you can start the app. After you get your verification code, it will ask for a password so that you can sign up for your account. Put in your new password. You will get a sign up. There you go. Welcome to your VONT home. And now we're going to add the device. I'm going to click on the plus over here. I think you can also do it over here. Let's see. Yes. There we go. And then it wants the location of where you're at so that it can figure out where the lamp is in the room or in your house. Now I'm going to click on this selection over here. We're going to wait for it to find the bulb. It found the bulb. We'll click over here and let it do its detection. Device confirm. Now it wants to know my password for my Wi-Fi, so I'm going to turn this off and get that going. We're going to do the scan, and I believe it will detect it in a minute, and then we will hear Alexa. Alexa's going off right now. We should detect this momentarily. Okay, it's detected the bulb. Very easy to use. Now I'm going to show you how to use this. This is the app. We have the light bulb over here. We have brightness. We can just see, let me turn off this light so you can see what's going on. Brightness, we just turn the bulb on. We have a choice for music, for colors, for scene. We have customize your colors, the color wheel, my colors. Let me go over to colors. This is my favorite part of these lamps. Let's deal with colors first. We got red. I'm going to show you the bulb in a minute. I am going to show you the colors because this is the best feature of the VONT smart light bulb. The camera might not show the colors as well as I would like, but I'll show you the reflection off my hand. That is red. We go to yellow, blue, dark blue, whitish. It's kind of an orange, green, another blue, purple, and you have a choice of 16 million colors. So you can scan all the way through using the bar on the app and get all the different colors that you want. And this is wonderful at nighttime when you're in a dark room and you've got, maybe you want to have a red color or a blue color. Over here we have the switch to turn the light bulb on. So I want to show you, we've got the bulb on, and I can turn it off with the app. I can turn it on and off. And the advantage of this is that when you were out of town, you can use your cell phone to turn on a light in your house. And the advantage of this is you can turn the light bulb on when you are home or when you're away from home, just by going to the app on your cell phone. I'm on the scene function, and we have different choices, sunrise, sunset, and that will give you different colors on the light bulb. Again, I'm going to use my hand so that you can see the color, because the camera doesn't show it properly. And so I'm just picking the different scenes that they give you. and you can click on them and get your different choices of colors. I clicked on the rule part of the app. You can schedule actions, you can control the colors, or you can turn on multiple devices, on or off. I want Alexa to find the app so I can control everything with Alexa. I am going to change the name of the device. So right over here we have name, bulb color. I'm going to change that right now. I have changed it to VONT. Now I'm going to go to the Wi-Fi settings. That should allow me to connect everything with Alexa. To make this app work with Alexa, you have to go to Alexa Skills and enable VONT Home. Enable to use, enabling skill. That will connect Alexa to the VONT app. Alexa is now connected to the VONT Home app. So let's test this out and see what happens. Alexa, VONT off. There we see that Alexa is now talking to the VONT Home app. To complete this video, I want to show you the Alexa is now connected to VONT. Alexa, VONT on.
Okay.
Alexa, VONT blue.
Okay.
Alexa, VONT red. Alexa, VONT off.
Okay.
Alexa, VONT on.
Sorry, I'm having trouble. Please try it in a little while.
Alexa, VONT on.
Okay.
Alexa, VONT brightness 10%.
Okay.
Alexa, VONT brightness 100%.
Okay.
And that is how you set up the VONT light bulb. Thank you for watching this video from Learning Chords.